here's the interior pieces for the car. They look like this, actually a lot worse than this right here. Been cleaning them up. I'm using some McGuire's interior spray. Just spraying them down, letting them soak it up. They're vinyl, but they're pliable now. They were hard when I first, would touch them, so dried out. That's the back seat panel. Here's one of the door cards, if you will. This is the vinyl interior piece, goes on the side. That's the top there. So there's that. Here's the seat pad. You can see it's something had got set on it. There's some wear on that, but not bad. I mean, it had this kind of mildewy stuff all over it, and you can see this one is hard as a rock right now. I'm going to keep soaking them. The more I've soaked them, now they're pliable. You see how it's pliable. So that's coming along pretty well. This is probably the worst of them all. You can see that it's just dry rotted and here at the seam. Got some damage there. This one I've soaked and soaked and soaked, so it's pretty pliable now. The color's kind of coming back to them. They're nice, not as chalky white looking. Ultimately, I'd like to take them maybe to an upholstery shop and see if they could use these as templates and make me a new one. So interior pieces coming along. We'll get those mocked up soon.